coconut milk, garlic, pepper, squash, and some salt are some of the ingredients of delicious recipes of gourmet Philippine foods you can find in this lovely book, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes, that's my beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez. And this beautiful cookbook is made for you by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. And this beautiful cookbook containing all beautiful, wonderful recipes and secrets and tips by my beloved mother, Mrs. Teodora Gutierrez, all are contained in this beautiful, exquisite, gorgeous cookbook, Mom and Chef Nanay Nene Teodora of Philippines Cuisine. Cookbook recipes written by her loving daughter, Juanita Gutierrez. Yours truly. Let us cook Ginataang Gulay, or vegetables and squash, Kalabasa. Delicious Philippine cuisine. Happy cooking and dining.